Many people have said that what I'm about to share with you is the most important thing they ever heard. Life always has two phases. There's phase one, which is the first light, and phase two, which is the second light. Phase one is unbelievable. It's amazing. It's all possibilities that uplifts you and inspires you, but it lasts only long enough to convince you that it will last forever, and then it's taken away. And then you feel the cruel letdown. You're abandoned and hopeless. And that's where you have to pick yourself and make it real. How does a man teaches his child to walk? He holds a little baby and lifts him to his feet for the first time. Little child stands there on his feet. What a moment. And he takes his first step, an exhilarating moment. And he can't fall because his dad's holding his hands. And as he feels the thrill of that first step, his dad lets go. And the child stands there terrified and alone. But that's when he learns to walk. And only when he takes that first frightened step on his own can he rush into his father's arms and realize that when his father let go, he was showing him more love than when he held his hands. If he never lifted you up, you wouldn't do it. But if he held you permanently, what would you be? The Jewish people are formed in Egypt. They reach a point of no return, and suddenly there's a blaze of miracles. 10 plagues, each one higher than the one before. 7 days later, it gets more when the sea splits. No human being had ever experienced that sort of voltage. And then comes the surprise. Then they get dropped in the desert. And a desert always means a place of death forces. So what's the process? Incredible crescendo experience of being uplifted for free. Then God steps back and says, now you do it. Then we'll meet at Sinai. Then we'll meet as equals. And I've done mine to inspire you and you've done yours to construct yourself. And then it's a painful and dangerous journey through the desert, one step after another. This is called fly now, pay later. You know, the month of leaving Egypt is Nisan. Nisan means miracles. What's the zodiac of Nisan? It's the sheep. That's a passive animal that just follows. The next month, Iyar in the desert, is the bull. That doesn't follow at all. The bull, ox, develops its own strength. Complete opposite characteristic. And the third month of the giving of the Torah, Sivan, is Gemini. Twins, perfect harmony between the two. The two tablets, Moshe and Aaron, Hashem and us, the oral and the written law, all the dualities coming together. And that's the secret of all life.